going down in here today. What is up, brother? What's going on, Austin? Dude, I love it. I love seeing freaking Jet in the barn, dude. Actually, I don't know, because usually that means something's going down. But this is something you want to be going down. So, if you guys remember on our last ride in West Virginia, this shit is a little clapped out. Literally, clapped out. And I'll just insert the clip again, just to remind y'all, right now.
Sagmeister.
Yeah, that was rough. I mean, that thing took a hit. And not only in the rear end, but the front end. And then, you know, obviously we suffered a couple casualties right here, or a casualty with the TMW bumper, which is, dude, it's heartbreaking, man. But like I told Austin, maybe we just powder coat that thing, and the dent is pretty symmetrical. It just looked like it came that way. Oh, you lost the speed grill too?
No, that happened in Glamis.
You lost that in Glamis?
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't even know that. They sent you a new one?
Yep.
Oh, I love those guys at TMW, dude.
Only made you pay the shipping.
Huh?
Only made you pay the shipping too.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, can't go wrong with that. Well, I just panned across this, so I'm sure you're wondering. This is Aiden's new car. So Aiden's turned 16, and yeah, you guessed it. 6.1. Woo! Super Hemi, dude. Thing is amazing. SRT. It's got all the powers and a bunch of other stuff. Maybe Aiden will make a video on that one day. Well, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the Jet, because this thing, it needs to make you feel. It needs to make you feel the way it's supposed to make you feel. Good. When you're hitting jumps.
I feel good, but not for the jumps part.
No, and I know you, because you're like me. We like to hit the jumps. Yeah, I mean, come on. We ain't trying to just, I mean, we like to go fast, but we ain't just trying to go fast. So.
More than on the ground.
Yeah, so what's the remedy here? What's the solution? What are we going to do?
Spring kit.
We have to, right?
Shock rescue spring kit.
These guys right here, they seem to have things to fix things like this. So, and more importantly, why are we doing this right now?
Georgia trip.
Like Austin just said, we are headed to Georgia, formerly known as Durham Town. Now it's known as Georgia Adventure Off-Road Park. Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Is it Adventure Off-Road Park? I think it is. Yeah. Anyways, so everybody's coming. This thing is going to be lit. We're going to load up the Mega Lounge, dude. We got all the side-by-sides coming. Everybody's coming. Me, Amy, Austin, Kinsey, Jeff, Den, Aiden, Don's coming with the General. Who else is coming? Is Ashton coming?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if Ashton's coming.
Medium Rapture's going on.
You know, the Banshee
Ashton lost the medium Rapture.
is donezo for now. It is getting rebuilt, but it's not going to be ready in time. And that was kind of like the incentive for Ashton to come, because he was going to send the Banshee, and now he doesn't want to come because he doesn't want to sit shotgun and ride passenger in somebody's side-by-side all week. But I told him, you're going to miss out on a lot of fun. So I'm still trying to talk him into it. We'll see what happens. And then Jeremy and Mary are going to show up a couple days later, because they got work stuff going on, and they'll meet us there. So we are super pumped. So literally an entire week of riding in Georgia. That's what's going on. That's a little update. I will give you another update on Gunner. So I'm going to take Gunner with me on this trip, and I've gone through everything. It's solid as a rock. The only thing I do need to do is tighten up the ball joints. So I have those LMUTV ball joints in the front, and I did hear a little bit of clacking noise going on the last ride. Jacked this thing up the other night, and ball joints super loose. So luckily for me, I can take those caps off of there, I can tighten them up, I can re-grease them, and I can get them back in 100% working fashion. That's a little update. We do got some other stuff going on, but we'll include that in the next video, But this is basically the start of our Georgia trip. So doing some maintenance things, doing some work, and we're heading out soon. Can't wait to get out there and share this trip with you guys. So see you back here in a little bit. Crank it, dude, crank it. Is it moving? All right, once it's air compressor hooks up, we'll be solid, dude. All right, pull her out. Well, hell yeah. we got those shocks removed. Had to bring out the persuader, get the freaking job done. Let's see what you got in that box. It's the moment you've been waiting for so long. So long. You've been wanting to rip some shock therapy for a minute.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I gotta be honest, dude. I hear a lot of freaking stank be tossed around on the shock therapy name. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm not paid by them, not sponsored by them, nothing. I mean, we're like the smallest side-by-side channel on YouTube, so I don't know what all y'all talking about to have these and hate them. I love them. Gunner, best running feeling machine I've ever rode in my life. Literally, it might be the only reason I'm holding on to it. It is it not? Gunner is on another level, dude.
She floats.
She is float. She just, You guys can have all the horsepower. I got the suspension, dude. I just zip through stuff. It's so fast. It's amazing. You might need a different number. You might need a different spring. Has a lot to do with it. And that's my own feeling. So, you know, take it for what it is. But I totally stand behind this stuff right here. And I'm ready to get it put on. Front one's done, moving on to the back. We're almost done with this thing, halfway through. Dude, I know you can't wait to rip this thing. She gonna be sick, dude. She gonna be sick, dude. Let's drop the front and keep on rolling. I'll tell you guys something else. If you guys are in the market for like a spring tool, don't buy this thing. This thing sucks. Seriously, it was like 130 bucks. For like 250 bucks, you can get like the really good one that has like the clamps that just kind of swing right in to the spring wherever you want, and it's got like the freaking, what'd you call it?
Oh, the pirate ship.
The pirate ship wheel, dude, to freaking tighten and loosen it. Yeah, I would definitely go that route. All right, we're gonna jack this ass end up and pop these springs on and get this thing finished. What are you doing, dude? What's happening, stranger?
Out cleaning the razor.
Huh?
Out cleaning the razor.
You getting her washed up and ready to rip?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, dude.
What you guys got going on?
Dude, some shock therapy action.
Yes.
Heck yeah.
Yes.
Dude, I don't know. Did you watch the last video?
Yeah.
With Austin's rear end smacking?
Oh, maybe I didn't see
It sounded like it broke into 1,000 parts.
Yeah.
Dude, we were just comparing the upper springs from shock therapy to these upper springs from Polaris.
Dude, that's a huge difference. What? Bro.
Is that crazy? Or is that
Dude,
crazy?
that's wild.
It's crazy.
I would have never thought there'd be that big of a difference.
Yeah.
It's just the top.
Dude, let's pull out the bottom, dude. That's gotta be equally insane. I'll let you hold that up there.
Equally beefy?
Yes.
We like beef.
Are you excited, dude, for the trip? Yeah, look at that, dude. And just look how much tighter the coil is.
Yeah.
You got so much more going on in there.
Difference.
God. Are you pumped yet or what?
Dude,
I can't wait.
I don't know how I'm gonna work this weekend.
I know, man. I'm telling you. I gotta work on Sunday now. So I'm like, dang. I was hoping I had like that day to like finalize any type of freaking loading and tools and like stuff like that, but
Yeah, it's gonna be crunch time.
Oh yeah.
I gotta work Friday, Saturday, Sunday night.
Really? Yeah, it's like it doesn't matter how much time you know you have leading up to a trip once you have it booked.
it
It could be months, and you could just put everything off to last week, last days.
Exactly what we're all doing.
We do it all so often, dude. It does not matter how much time we got. Just crunch time the day before. We decided we need to get air conditioning in the barn.
Yeah.
I said that to Aim. She just gave me that freaking weird look. Said, yeah, right.
Got heat at least.
Yeah, you got heat, dude. Oh man.
I'm not gonna be able to walk over anymore.
Oh, you ain't gonna be neighbors anymore, dude.
After you see me anyways.
Yeah, I know. We all work too much.
we gotta work hard to play hard, right?
Damn straight.
A little bit longer than a few minutes later.
Whoa! There it goes. We're not in the cup. Dude, this thing's going in the junker. She's going in the junkyard, dude. You guys better get out of here, dude. One of your guys' faces could be at risk here. Oh, but hey, that's it. Number four. Good job. We got this far. We just gotta bolt this thing on and wrap her up, dude. What are you doing, Rug? Huh? Huh? I don't know if anybody's met you yet. Huh? Say what's up. Say what's up. You're on camera for the whole world to see. Woo! Sick. Everything's torqued down, Austin? You can throw this thing in the dumpster.
Thought this day might never come.
It definitely took us a little bit longer than they kind of suggested it would take. This thing was so freaking whopped out, dude. Wow. Man, this is crazy. You know how long it's been since I've seen your A-arms have any kind of angle to them at all?
Probably a long time.
Dude, these A-arms were like literally straight across.
Oh yeah.
Look at this, dude.
Oh, they haven't melted. They were literally parallel.
Yeah. Oh my God, dude, this thing looks so much better. Holy crap. Grab that tape measure, dude. See what you got right somewhere over there. What do you think, Rugs? This thing gonna be ready to rip or what, dude? It's ready for Georgia, baby. Say it's pretty damn close. So
Oh, the rear dead on.
Just a few minutes later.
Stiff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's made for ripping. Oh, respect the farmer's field. You know, everybody likes to talk smack when I do donuts with the Razor 200 in the frickin' fields. Just doesn't feel sloppy and just all over the place. Man. Whew. Dude. Oh, what do you think?
Blew me away, dude.
Huh?
Blew me away.
Like, is it immediate? I mean, you drive this thing every day. I don't.
Oh, yeah.
Immediate difference or what?
Immediate difference.
Oh, dude. That was sick. It just felt so good ripping through that little freaking field trail right there. My God. Oh yeah, thanks for the ride, dude.
Oh yeah, thanks for helping me.
Heck yeah, it's freaking awesome. Whew. Dude, she's a jet, all right. Oh man, Ruger, you didn't even know what happened to us. We were here and then we were just gone that fast, huh? So that happens. Strap yourself inside the jet. All right, dude, it's freaking fire. It's awesome. I'm glad to see the jet standing tall, though. That's just one part of this freaking, I don't know. That's just one part of the shit we got to do to get ready for this trip. We got the jet 90% ready to go. Your oil changes, everything's been done before West Virginia, so he's solid. You don't have to do anything else to it. So we might adjust the front down a little bit. We might not. Who knows? We'll see. We'll let you know in Georgia. And then I guess I'm gonna start working on gunner, dude. Get them ball joints tightened up, and then I don't know. We got a bunch of other stuff. Got a video to freaking produce. Try to get that thing out there for you guys. It's been a lot of work, you know, especially with everything we got going on with the diners, all the things the kids got going on. We got baby Ryder, dude, that we're trying to spend as much time with as we can. So, you know, for SD card ran out of storage, so boom, camera's done. But what I was trying to say is that, you know, we want to spend as much time as we can with baby Ryder, and we got all a bunch of other stuff going on. So the time it takes to get these videos done and all that, it's just going to take a little bit. So be patient. I appreciate every one of you that stick with us, watches the videos, has been a long time viewer of our channel, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much. We do appreciate it. But like I said, this is the first installment of the preparation for the trip to Georgia, and this one is going to be a banger. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be an amazing trip. So you're going to want to hit the subscribe button, and you're going to want to hit that bell so that you get notifications when all those new videos drop. So we appreciate it if you do that, very much so. And also, guys, check out lulusoffroadshop.com. We got hats on there, shirts, we got koozies on there, we got all kinds of stuff on there. So check that out, and we'll see you guys very soon.